Adivinen a quién se le quemó, murió su calefón el día que empezaba el evento. Hola, ¿cómo están amigos del canal? Aquí Ajna Violeta y esto es Muladar, Danza y Bienestar. Te doy la bienvenida al backstage oficial de la visita de LEBEDEVA desde Ucrania a Chile, la segunda visita del artista a este país, primera visita a la ciudad de Concepción, y todo esto se realizó en el contexto de un retiro de yoga, danza y naturaleza que por primera vez estamos llevando a cabo con un equipo. Este retiro consistió en clases de yoga en la mañana, a las 9 de la mañana, estrictamente a cargo mío, un estilo de yoga centrado en la alineación, más hatha, con algunos toques de vinyasa, de yoga flow, que después se pueden extrapolar a la danza, clases de fusión tribal, fusión belly dance junto a Kira, más un intensivo coreográfico el día sábado, y paseos durante la tarde a lugares hermosos y afortunadamente poco conocidos de la octava región donde yo vivo, donde me encuentro y nos encontramos en este momento, que estuvieron a cargo de Carla, parte del equipo también, al santuario de la península de Hualpén y diferentes spots que realmente estuvieron imperdibles. En este video vamos a hacer el recuento, como siempre. Es un recuerdo que te va a quedar si es que fuiste parte, una motivación a venir si es que quieres hacerlo la próxima vez. Y como siempre, toda la información está en nuestra página web. El QR va a estar siempre directo apareciendo en pantalla, y también para estar al tanto de todas las novedades puedes seguirme en redes sociales, en Instagram, y suscribirte a este canal.
Hello everyone, I'm LEBEDEVA, and in January I visit Chile, and I want to tell you something about that. It was really wonderful, amazing experience in my life. What I loved, what girls did for me, we didn't have any dance show, we had just like real communication, and also what I love, we did hiking. Yeah, it's so like something like not typical for us, because in January we always have a like dance classes show. This was like a totally different format. I really love it so much because every day we had like 2-4 hours of practicing, like yoga session, dance classes, and after all of us together we are sitting in the bus, we go to some location, and after we start hiking. One day I remember that we used boat, and I saw so beautiful places from Chile, and I think if it's not that format I will not see something like beautiful, pure, wild. Yeah, I think if I close my eyes, I still remember the taste of air, wind, waves. Yeah, and also I didn't know that I can do hiking. In Ukraine, I cannot say that I'm hiking a lot, but because all of us, like so for me, it's like a teamwork. Like all of us were like together, and it was nice that girls, they're like giving water to each other, some snacks, we are talking a lot, and of course to sit in the wild beaches, it's like amazing. Really, I have no words, and I love really community in Chile. They're so nice, cute, and they're really taking care of each other. This is what I took from girls, because I'm like a teacher. Of course, if I'm coming for a festival or intensive or something, I'm giving a lot. But also in Chile, I can feel that I'm recharging, and I take something, and they take this cool communication that you can be honest, you can be yeah, I can say honest with each other. And if you need a help, you just need say like, girls, I need your help, and they're immediately coming and helping. What about community? I was surprised that community was really like close to each other. It's for me because I just started learning Spanish. I couldn't speak Spanish that well, but what for me it was amazing that if you just ask about something, they're immediately helping you. And I felt, because I couldn't speak Spanish, I felt that they know each other for a long time. And it's interesting that if you ask, do you know each other? They're like, no, I see first time here in that festival, intensive, whatever. Yeah, sorry, I'm also playing like a mom. Yeah, and it was really cool for me. And what I love, because I'm not English speaker, I mean, I'm not native English speaker, and I'm trying to learn a little bit of Spanish, and girls help me a lot. They really like talking, they show me some words, what they mean, explain, and everything. And my biggest, I don't know how to say that, but the biggest feeling, I remember that we went to a gallery and I saw huge mural, amazing mural, and it was all about Chile and about Mapuche. And I'm really happy that girls explained to me so many things and about Mapuche, about people from earth, from land, and it was so productive for me, learning something new. Also, it was an amazing atmosphere that we are sharing, like our smiles. They really look at me that think that I couldn't hike in Crocs, but I did it. Also, that so many girls, I hope, they start learning English like me Spanish. And next moment, it's how Chilean people can love. I felt there like at home, really. We dance everywhere, like really, that atmosphere and energy recharge me a lot. Really, thank you so much for that.
Este retiro se está realizando en la ciudad de Concepción entre los días 16 y 19 de enero del año 2025. Estamos muy contentas con el equipo porque, como te contábamos, esto es una apuesta. Nunca habíamos hecho algo que combinara, que hiciera fusión entre yoga, entre danza, pero también el hacer ciertos circuitos turísticos, culturales y gastronómicos. En lo particular, en esta última parte tuvimos a Carla, que también es parte de la coordinadora de defensa del santuario de la península de Hualpén. Son lugares que para nosotros también son súper importantes porque hemos, como equipo, como amigas también en algunas instancias, ¿por qué no?, compartido momentos súper bonitos, y ha sido también genial poder compartirlas, llevarlas a todos ustedes y también ver sus caritas cuando llegan a los lugares y nos dicen que nunca habían visto algo así y se ponen súper contentas o que se sienten adentro de una película.
Me duele cada músculo de mi cuerpo, pero estoy feliz. Ha sido una experiencia maravillosa, conocer a Kira, de verdad que es cumplir un sueño. No pensé hace un año que iba a estar aquí hoy día, pero de verdad que ha sido maravilloso y conocer a todas las chiquillas. Sí. De verdad que me llevo una experiencia para no olvidar nunca.
Sí, estoy muy feliz también de poder compartir con toda esta calidad de bailarinas, esta hermosa comunidad que se está generando a través de estas salidas. Ser parte de esta comunidad de danza también, sentirme parte y crear como todos estos espacios que son súper de sanación mental y final también, como un poco un espacio de recreación emocional. Así que estoy muy agradecida, también muy agradecida de poder estar bailando con Kira y junto a grandes maestras que siempre quise conocer y estar en un lugar tan lindo, así que muchas gracias y gracias a todos y la gente que organizó también, estamos muy gratas.
Gracias.
Este paseo ha sido genial, conocer Concepción, lugares que en mi vida jamás había conocido y que ahora tengo la oportunidad. También ha sido genial compartir con todas las personas que están participando de esta avenida de Kira y he aprendido muchísimo, así que estoy muy agradecida de la Gaby y todo lo que ha gestado.
¿Lo repetirías?
Sí, lo repetiría.
Debo compartirte igual que desde todos los lados organizar este tipo de eventos no es tarea fácil, pero a pesar de todo, como organización, como equipo, nosotros valoramos mucho la flexibilidad. En este caso, Kira es, como ella dice, a simple person, una persona simple en el sentido de que ha sido flexible, amable. Hemos tenido la instancia también de hacer desayunos grupales en el mismo espacio y poder compartir, porque muchas veces estos eventos ocurren tan rápido que uno dice, bueno, la próxima vez cuando tengamos tiempo y nos encontremos vamos a conversar, y llega la próxima vez y de nuevo no tenemos tiempo y de nuevo no alcanzamos a conversar. Entonces este año los desayunos también grupales en el estudio fueron parte de la planificación para poder romper ese hielo, para poder seguir generando comunidad. Bailarinas que también se han encontrado con otras bailarinas sin saber que eran de la misma ciudad y se encontraron aquí. Todas esas cosas nos ayudan a ir generando redes que no sabemos hasta dónde nos podrían llevar. Por otro lado, Kira también ha participado en estos desayunos, ha compartido con las bailarinas, ha sacado fotos, y la verdad es que eso nosotros desde el otro lado lo valoramos un montón, porque nos encanta eso, el compartir sentires, el compartir experiencias. Kira también está pasando por un momento de vida en el que ella misma se ha propuesto ser una voz de la realidad de Ucrania en otros países, y obviamente también desde ese lado, desde ese sentir, hay mucha información que queremos dejar plasmada en este video con ese objetivo.
Yeah, and now it's interesting, but I'm teaching people how to resilient, like how to recharge energy, how to dance even if you feel not okay. Because if I talk to people, they say to me something like, I don't want to perform because I feel not okay, but it's also okay that you feel not okay. But for me, because I'm living now in war, I'm still here in Ukraine, and I realize one thing, that we need to dance even if we are not happy. We need to dance even if you are angry. You can manifestate your energy and share with people, and also you can celebrate even if you're not okay, because in the concert hall so many people can understand you, and for me it's the best therapy, because dance for me it's really like a medicine, because during the war I think just what mentally helps me to survive, it's dance, practicing, discipline, also teaching, and I can feel response of showing something beautiful, and I can show how I translate how I can transit my feelings to something beautiful. If I feel sad, if I feel angry, if I feel not happy, if I want to show how I'm fighting inside, I can share my experience to people, what I felt. Because for me, dance, it's not just something about body, it's something about your energy, about your soul, about your experience. And if I'm going to the stage, I'm showing all this. I'm showing to people my honest, my energy, my fighting energy, everything like that. This is why I want to say, if you have like a 5% of energy, still continue dance. Do something like flowing, listening music. For me, the most important thing is to find the perfect vibration, your state and music. And you can do this and feel balanced even if you feel not okay. I'm not sure that people say that sad it's okay or not okay, but yeah, you can feel everything. It's also okay, and show it and do beautiful art. I met amazing dancer, and she explained to me that after suicide of her husband, she must go on stage, and so many people they're asking her to not do that, but she's saying no, I must do. And this is amazing. I mean, amazing. Yeah, it's sad because she had this experience, but this is amazing that she can show to people how beautiful can be that feelings, how beautiful her fighting energy. This is why I'm really asking you, my Spanish community, please dance dance, never stop, never give up, always dance. This is what it's the hugest, I don't know, blessed of God that we can dance. We can send to this world something beautiful, even if you feel, we can say, bad emotions. We need to continue dance, and with your how you survive, how you show it, so many people will be inspired by you. This is the most important thing. Please never ever ever give up. Always dance, because dancing is, for me, because I'm speaking like few languages, I understand that sometimes I cannot explain by words what I'm feeling, but I can show, and this must be something honest and true with yourself. If you're honest with yourself, you can go to the stage and people will love you. And this is absolutely okay to not show just happy dance. All emotions important. We need to feel all emotions, and we need show all emotions to people. And also because we can do something, like sometimes I can feel that words, it's not enough, but you can show that, I don't know, volume, energy, with costume, and everything together can help you to make a therapy, and also you can inspire so many people. Just please never give up. And I want to say one thing, asking about help, it's also okay, because if you feel that for you it's too hard now to handle it, it's normal to ask help to your teacher, to your, I don't know, sisters. It's always normal to say that you're not okay. If you feel something, don't think that you are alone. This is why I love our community, because you can say that I need help and someone will help. Not maybe that person what you are, whom you ask, but another person can help you. Just never close your heart. Never think that something is not okay for you, or that emotion is not okay. No, all emotions what you feel important, and we can translate them to beautiful art, transit them to amazing cool performance. All emotions, all your state is important for you, and if it's possible to meet, I don't know, your dance sister from your tribe, I don't know, maybe even from different country, because I remember that for a long time I had a sister, my beautiful, amazing sister, dance sister from another country, and we did voice message. If you feel that you need help, just ask. Say to everyone, don't be shy. I think people who asking for help, they're super strong. It's not, because sometimes we're thinking if I ask someone about help, I'm look like loser. No. For me now, I understand from my experience from war, if I feel not okay, I can ask people to help. This is absolutely okay.
Primer día que me pude sumar a un paseo en las tardes, así que hermoso el paseo en bote, bacán la experiencia. Muchas gracias por esta oportunidad. Nada, hay que seguir disfrutando.
Oye, ¿lo repetiría?
Todo sí, de todas maneras. Se viene para enero 2026. Vamos que se puede.
Ha sido increíble, está súper bacán la experiencia, me encanta mezclar el turismo con la clase de danza, con la maestra Kira. Ha sido increíble. ¿Lo repetiría? 1000 veces. Onda, si haces 3 veces al año, yo voy a las 3 ahora, desde ahora en adelante ya se come atún toda la semana, pero se va a estos workshops.
Yo agradezco mucho esto que organizaste, Gaby, porque ha sido espectacular. O sea, yo encuentro que el precio es mínimo mínimo para todo lo que hemos vivido, a todas las playas que hemos recorrido. O sea, la Kira es maravillosa, tú eres maravillosa, no, espectacular. De verdad yo también, por favor hazlo 2 veces al año esto. Yo vendría.
No, yo estoy muy agradecida por todo esto, de verdad es un sueño. Como que levantarse todos los días en la mañana a vivir algo así es increíble, de verdad. Lugares muy lindos, acompañadas de Kira, es algo tan personal que nunca pensé poder vivir. Así que muy agradecida, mucha gratitud. ¡Que se repita!
My favorite moment, I think it's view. What we saw, it's like a river and ocean together, like meeting each other. I think this was romantic, and also I want to give my coin from my country to that museum. I hope I have coin. I will check all my luggage. No, you can.
Para finalizar este video queremos obviamente agradecerles de nuevo a todas las personas que fueron parte, que se sumaron de nuevo o que se suman por primera vez. Nos interesa mucho leer en sus comentarios si es que este nuevo formato les gustó, si es que les gustaría que se repitiera, si es que tienen en mente alguna persona que quisieran que viniera a pasar un verano con nosotras. Todo eso nosotros lo leemos, obviamente tratamos de hacer lo posible por hacerlo ocurrir, pero sus comentarios son importantes. También dejarles el QR con nuestra web, donde pueden encontrar las actividades que van a estar ocurriendo en el momento en el que vayas viendo la web. También dejarte la información, porque ahí también está de nuestras clases regulares, entonces puedes tener la información de los eventos puntuales o de las actividades que son más sostenidas a lo largo del año. No te olvides de seguirnos en Instagram, de suscribirte a este canal, todo eso nos ayuda un montón para visibilizar y cada vez ir generando más comunidad. Te dejo un fuerte abrazo y nos vemos en un próximo video.
And also I want to say everyone who helped Gabi to organize, everyone who participate in my classes, Nina, everyone who helped, I want to say thank you so much. And please never stop. Continue to do what you are doing. And you cannot imagine how many people around you inspired by, how you give positive energy to people. I think now, like we need it so much. We need have good people around who doing cool things, and what you did, this is amazing. Carla, thanks for everything what you did to us. All your excursion, all your guides, everything what you say, it was amazing. I'm really happy that I met all of you guys and we did cool hiking together. We danced, we had I think hiking, it was the best, how, like make a team building. It was incredible. I have bad words on my curse words, but yeah, it was amazing. Thank you for everything, for your love, for amazing cool food. I really love Chile and I cannot wait to come back. Really, I hope next time I will speak Spanish much better and I can talk to all of you guys. You're living in my heart, and yeah, thank you for everything, because you cannot imagine how it was hard for me to do tour. Sometimes tour it's really not easy, but in Chile I felt like at home, that I can be myself, I can be big, huge, emotional, I don't know, this expression, and thank you guys that you understand me. Oh my god, I start crying. That you understand if I say something not usual, you're not closing your heart. If I say something about war, you're not closing your heart. You listen me, you support me, you say words, and you hug me. It was amazing. Think you. Oh my god, thank you so much for everything, guys, everything. It was amazing, and I think I will never forget it, what happened to me with you.